Hello everyone, and welcome to Simple Learn for You. I'm Simple Learn for You. Have you ever looked at a complex math problem and felt completely lost? Well, what if I told you that every single one of those problems, from basic algebra to advanced calculus, is built on just 4 simple ideas? That's right. Today, we are going back to the absolute fundamentals. We are learning about the 4 basic operations of arithmetic. This is your foundation for all future math, so let's build it strong together. These 4 symbols are the building blocks of mathematics. They are addition, the idea of combining; subtraction, the idea of taking away; multiplication, the idea of repeated addition; and division, the idea of sharing or grouping. Let's explore each one. Let's start with addition, represented by the plus sign plus. Addition is all about combining values to find a total or a sum. For example, if I have 3 apples, and you give me 2 more, I now have 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 apples. The key words you'll often hear with addition are sum, total, combine, altogether, in all. It's the simplest and first operation we learn. Next is subtraction, shown with the minus sign. This is the opposite of addition. It's all about taking away or finding the difference between 2 numbers. If I start with those 5 apples and I eat 2 of them, I'm left with 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 apples. We use subtraction to find out how many are left, how much more one thing is than another, or the difference. Now, let's speed things up with multiplication, shown with the times sign times or a dot times. Multiplication is essentially repeated addition. Instead of saying 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we can say 4 times 3, which is 4 times 3 equals 12. It's a much faster way to add equal groups together. Think of it like this. If I have 4 bags, and each bag has 3 oranges, how many oranges do I have total? 4 groups of 3. That's multiplication. Keywords are product, times, multiplied by, groups of. Finally, we have division, the inverse of multiplication. It's shown with the division sign divided by, a slash, or the arbalist. Division is all about splitting into equal parts or groups. If I have 12 oranges and I want to put them equally into 4 bags, I perform 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So, each bag gets 3 oranges. We are sharing fairly or seeing how many of one number fits into another. We use division to find a quotient, to share, divide, or split into groups. Here's a crucial point. When these operations are mixed in a single problem, the order matters. We don't just solve from left to right. We follow a rule called PEMDAS or BODMAS. Parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, from left to right, then addition and subtraction, from left to right. In our example, 8 plus 4 by 2, we must do the multiplication first. 4 times 2 is equal to 8, then add, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. All right, your turn. Pause the video and try this problem. 8 plus 4 times 2 minus 12 divided by 3. Remember PEMDAS. I'll give you the answer in just a second. How did you do? Let me know your answer in the comments below. And there you have it. The 4 basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You've just strengthened the foundation for all the math you'll ever do. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. What should we learn next? Fractions? Decimals? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy calculating!